What's going on, everybody? This is a quick tutorial on how to install SPD clips onto your indoor cycling shoes. The shoes I will be using today are the Nike SuperRep Cycle shoes. And if you'd like to check out the review on that, I will post a link in the description below. But essentially what you'll need is you'll need the shoes. It comes with the backing right here. This is the SPD backing. Nike also includes the Delta backing for it if you need it. This foam piece is what's inside the shoe underneath the sole. And then what you need to buy separately are the SPD clips, okay? So the SPD clips that I will be using, it came with the Swin IC4 bike, which I also have a review on if you'd like to check that out. I'll post that in the description below. But what it comes with this plastic backing. It comes with the clip, comes with the 2 screws. Alright, so you will need a 4mm wrench here, 4mm hex wrench, as you can see right there. Hex it on. And that's essentially all you'll need for this installation, and we'll jump right into it. So once you pull the shoe right out of the box, it's going to come together. Again, remember that foam that I talked about earlier? It's already inside the shoe, as you can see here. What you'll need to do is unstrap the velcros, pull the sole out of the shoe, and then again, that silver gray padding is right there in the bottom of the shoe. What I like to do is I like to just take the wrench, 4mm hex wrench, poke it through just to get the padding out. It just makes it a little bit easier to get it out. And then you take the SPD backing, which the shoe comes with. As you can tell, there are 3 holes because it does come with a Delta backing as well. So that's nice for the Nike SuperRep Cycle to include both of the different kinds of clips. But the SPD clip is the most typical clip used for indoor cycling shoes. It's very versatile. Many of the gyms use them in their bikes. So if you're taking cycling classes at the gym, SPD clips are the typical ones that you can get. Alright, so you take that metal backing, put it right inside here. You line it on up, right there. Go ahead and take this extra plastic backing that the clips came with, which is nice. You don't always find this plastic backing. It's just a small plastic piece right here. But it's nice to have because it protects the shoes against the screws as you screw them in. Put it right there. With the SPD clip, it does have an arrow right there at the tip that's pointing forward, so you know which direction to put the clip in. Line up the holes right there. Put the screw in. Hand screw it in first, just a little bit easier. Sometimes it's hard to find a hole. There we go. Alright, nice and easy. Put one in, then you put the other one in. Again, just hand tightening it for now. And then I will use that wrench to tighten it up a little bit more. As you can see, it slides now, okay? What I like for my shoes, I always push it forward. The clip should be underneath the bottom balls of your feet. So that's pretty much the widest part of your foot. So you may need to adjust this if this is your first time installing clips on your shoes. You may need to adjust it forward and back, but it's also just a trial and error. So go ahead and install it. Clip into your bike, see how it feels. If it feels weird, go ahead and adjust it. Okay, so again, I normally just push it all the way forward. That usually fits my foot. Go ahead and take that wrench, tighten up the screws now. You only need to do it about hand tight, but be careful. I know some of the off-brand clips, their screws aren't as strong, so it's easy to strip them. So just be aware of that when you're tightening up the screws. Again, these screws that came with the clip from the Swin IC4 bike, they're pretty sturdy. I've tried them out already and they're pretty strong. I've used Shimano clips. Those are really good screws as well. The quality is there. But I've used some off-brand clips and I've had trouble with the screws stripping, things like that. So again, tighten it up, just hand tight. Nice and easy. Doesn't need to be super tight. Again, you may need to tighten it up a little bit more once you start clipping in and out of your bike. It may loosen up the screws, so just be aware of that. But once you got these installed, go ahead and put that foam padding right back inside the shoe. That just helps pad the screws from underneath your foot. Nice and easy. Some of the shoes come with thicker pads, some come with thinner pads, so just be aware of that. The Nike ones come with a pretty thick pad, so it's pretty nice that you don't really feel anything when you put the sole back in. If you have laces, if you have velcros, go ahead and strap everything back on up. Again, I usually recommend getting the velcro straps because it's more convenient than having to lace up every single time you put your shoes on and off. You strap it on up, tighten it on up, clips installed, nice and sturdy there, not wiggly, not moving at all. Again, try out your clips, see if you need to adjust it again. I moved it forward because that fits me, but if you need to move it a little bit further back, no problem, go ahead and do that. Alright, so go ahead and try out the shoes, clip them in, see how they do for you. Let me know in the comments below, what shoes are you using? Are you using the Nike ones? Do you got Shimanos? What kind of indoor cycling do you do? But again, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to it, that shows me so much support. And until next time, if you're looking for indoor cycling workouts that you can do at home on your indoor cycling bike at home, go ahead and check out the rest of my channel. If you need minimum equipment at home workouts, also check out my channel. I got plenty of workout videos I post weekly. So again, take a look around, check out some of my rides, check out some of my workouts. But until next time, stay fit, stay flexed, and I hope to see you in a workout.